So we're going down Front Street right now. Let's see. And this is the general store. They got a horse in the window. Flowers.
That little spring that says in the window.
Yeah.
US Post Office right
Yeah,
across.
this looks like a merry-go-round I came off of.
That's a nice
Yeah.
horse. Oh, look.
Yeah. Across the street, yeah, we have the US Post Office.
as well.
Next to it is the Historical Society.
Yeah.
This says St Marion Ma Center, the sign right here near the general store.
Hi, I'm Fernanda. If this is your first time here, James and I travel to different states to take you to the attractions, resorts, and restaurants. Subscribe if you'd like to see our next video, and leave a comment if you got value out on this video.
So right in front of us, you have the sign here, Community Center, Kate's Simple Eats, and I believe that's right there. And there's a big parking lot right here. And across the street is the American Research Management Investment Advisors. Some nice little benches out here. And this says closed in March. We'll be back in April. So right next to that is the Colwell Banker, residential broker. Across the street we have an insurance company. I can't read the name from here. Probably have to get a little bit closer. I gotta wait for Fernanda to catch up. Here across the street is the Hiller Fuel Incorporated, which is next to this Roger Keith Insurance Company. Over here we have the Civican Women's Club. So this is the Women's Club right here. Handy Tavern, it says on there. Which is across, and you have the Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Civican Dental. Looks like there's Spirits over here right next to it. Up in the window it says Skin Lab. Whatever that is. And you see solar panels on this house over here. Now we're still on Front Street, and this is a real estate place. Landmark Group. William Ray's. Colorful flag. It says open. Yeah. So we're now on Front and Cottage Street. And it looks like a soldier up there, Civil War soldier, right in front of us. And we should take a. Oh, this looks like a gift shop of some kind.
It's open.
Mimis.
Look at it! Look at all those balloons.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
And the place is called Mimi's.
Yeah, minis. This is Gettysburg. That's what it's written on the stone. Yeah.
Gettysburg.
Let's get a closer look at this. See what it says on here. Marion erected this monument to the brave defenders of the Union in grateful remembrance of the valor and devotion. It was dedicated in 1894, August 16th. There's a time capsule here too.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh, to be opened in?
1980. No, it just says time capsule.
Time capsule to be opened.
2084?
2084.
Oh, 2084. Right at the base.
Huh. That's a long time.
Yeah.
2084. We're only in 20. What are we in? 2021?
Yeah,
So 84. That's a long time.
we'll come back for that.
Yeah, we'll come back for that. We'd like to.
And right across the way you can see the water. New boats out there. I'm not sure what this building is until I walk around. It's over to the left where this Gettysburg statue is. Hey, the music hall. This is the music hall. I'm not sure exactly what goes on in there. Music probably. 1891. Whether this is a museum or what?
That's an impressive building.
Yeah. I have to look at a lot of this stuff on the internet. See what they do here. Yeah, boats.
All the labels over there.
Over here is a Converse company, real estate. Yeah.
Flag is down, but we don't know who's there observing.
I don't know. Oh, look at this. Free library thing. Got the books right here.
Free library.
Huh.
The book, return a book. They do that in certain parts.
Take a book, return a book.
Yep.
Huh.
That's a little library, all right.
So they got this across the street.
What is that?
And it says, "Man, a gift of Elizabeth Taylor." Now that's that statue we seen across from Town Hall.
That's not Elizabeth Taylor. Tabor.
No, oh, Tabor. Yeah, there was that
that's,
statue near
the museum.
Hall.
The museum. It's got her. She must have been a very wealthy lady.
Now, actually, that's probably flowers out. Right now, we're at the towards the end of March, so you're not seeing flowers right now. You can tell by the trees here that we're still at the very beginning of spring.
Yeah. I wonder if we can go in a circle to the street we came to.
I don't know. So we're still on Front Street, and I see a sign that says Tabor Academy. So imagine it's way down the road. I don't think we're going to walk down there today. So we're kind of parked in a 2-hour parking. So we're going to take a left up here, get back to Spring Street.